Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add the band screen to your copy because I forgot to do that in the first tutorial how to make a Gtag copy. All you're going to need is actually just PlayFab for this. So, yeah. So you go to your PlayFab. Oh, I have caps on. Alright, now if you go to your game, Project Snack is mine. You go to Settings, API Features, and then click Allow Client to view band reason and band duration under Enable API Features. And then once you ban someone, I have my account here, and I'm gonna test ban it like this. Ban, add ban, 1, and then add ban. Then when I launch my game here, band screens here. Also, yeah, this stuff's kind of cool. I'm gonna have to fix it or mix it like this, wherever. But yeah, and if you accidentally banned someone and it was like a staff and they got false banned, you just go to your PlayFab, click on the active ban, and click revoke. And then once they restart their game, they will be unbanned, as you can see. And then once I join a lobby, it joins. And this is how you do that.